In the 2 years since we've launched Connected 3, we've done lots of events. There are events that we've run ourselves, ones that we've attended, ones that we've been sponsors of. We love doing them. We love getting out there and meeting potential clients, meeting other businesses and talking about what we have to offer. Frankie, it'd be good to hear from you on the events that you're most excited for and ones that you'd like to share with everyone that are coming up in the next few weeks.
Amazing. Hello everyone, I'm Frankie. I'm the new marketing manager here at Connected 3 and I'm looking after all the internal marketing and events. So the ones I'm most excited for are definitely our marketing mixer. So that's on April the 27th and it's in partnership with Don't Panic. So Don't Panic run lots of events all over the UK and they run lots of awards as well. So the event is happening in Manchester. It's our first event that we're running in Manchester, so we're really excited for that. As Charlie mentioned, we used to run SearchLeeds and between us we've run probably
I don't even know how many.
20, 30, 40, loads of events in Leeds.
So one last event we've got coming up in April that I'm super excited about is the Digital Super Chats SEO event happening on the 19th of April. And the reason I'm so excited about that is because our CEO, Tim Grice, will be coming out of talk retirement to deliver a presentation. And this doesn't happen very often. So if you would like to see Tim delivering his SEO insights, I actually think he's talking about digital PR and social, yeah, and how they can work together to drive your strategy, then you can sign up to that. Any of the events we've mentioned today, we'll put in the comments underneath the video, so you're welcome to register, find more information, and we'll hopefully see some of you there.